Kung locally employed ka, OFW or first-time homebuyer, this might be the easiest way to finally own a house sa Calamba, Laguna. No reservation fee, no down payment, may 150,000 discount, at pwede ka na agad lumipat once ma-approve ni Pag-ibig Financing. Aminin na natin, ang hirap maghanap ng affordable na bahay na pwede na agad lipatan. Madalas kasi puro pre-selling at matagal ang turnover. Pero ngayon, may option na Pag-ibig friendly at swak kahit combined salary. Let me introduce you to Agapea Towns in Calamba, Laguna. Duplex unit na ready for occupancy, kaya once approved ang loan, pwede ka nang lumipat agad. Meron itong 70 square meter lot area, 50 square meter na floor area, at sa Pag-ibig Financing, ang monthly amortization mo lang is 15,392 pesos lang per month. And for the required income, dapat sumasahod ka ng 44,000 monthly or combined income mo to with your partner. At take note, wala rin tong reservation fee at wala rin tong down payment. Ang kailangan mo lang bayaran is yung processing fee sa Pag-ibig Financing. Kaya kung ngayong 2026 is nagre-renta ka pa rin, this will be the perfect timing para magkaroon ka na ng sariling bahay. Limited time lang ang 150,000 discount. Message me now and let's see kung ikaw na yung next na matutulungan namin magkabahay.